Um, Good afternoon, everyone. And this is the project, and it's called StockBot AI, and it's democratizing investment insights through real-time conversational intelligence and sentiment-aware market analysis. And I'm the presenter, Ziyuan Wang, and it's by Ziyuan Wang and Carlos Gonzalez. Currently, the stock markets remain a challenge domain of many investors, especially in the following areas. The first one is scattered data, and the and economics news are hard to find and spread out across many sources. And the second one is difficulty in interpretation. The new investors struggle to understand trends without spending a lot of time. Decision delays. Most tools use static data and can adapt to real time. So we have like three solutions for this. The first one is all in one platform. The StockBot AI bring real-time stock data, news, and analysis into one app. And smart conversational AI uses large language model, which is LLM, to customer scoring to give easy, personalized insights. And third one, adaptability tracks these trends and adjusts advice based on current market conditions. And we have three main components for the solutions. The first one is data collection. We use Alpha Vantage process, continuously collecting data from the Alpha Vantage API. And the second one, server, is where we get the data from the API, process the data with large language model, and render the information to the mobile app. And third one is mobile application, is the user interface where the users can search for company stocks and get prediction and get assist. This is the mobile application right here. And next one is tools and technologies. These projects utilize request and data analysis to perform stock trend prediction and data-driven investments analysis. With this tool, users are able to make personalized investment decision using real-time data and customized scoring metrics. For the request, we collect data based on users' input. For example, the user types in the query TSLA, which invokes request to collect stocks and news data from the company. We also collect data stores into Firebase storage and feed context into ChatGPT to provide a textual-based response to the user. The users can then ask questions, and the LLM, large language model, will provide answers based on the information it received. Another is data analysis. The data we collect from Alpha Vantage needs to be iterated upon and pre-processed to provide the most insights. We thus perform various stages of data analysis to give us a clear picture of the stock's performance. And examples of data analysis including creating graph visualizations of the technical indicators, designing a stock scoring systems about bullish or bearish, and creating textual reports based on the news data. And then we can see some code examples. The first code example is for the request. We can wait for a query to be received. Once the user typing something like TSLA Tesla, a request is then sent to our backend server. The server is responsible for collecting all data from Alpha Vantage. We then perform some basic feature engineering by collecting other metrics such as average market sentiments and stock performance scores, which we will see at the next slides, and it's the data analysis. Then this is our scoring systems, and our scoring systems evaluates stocks using 5 key metrics, each weighted differently. The cash flow, dividend yields, RSI scores, simple moving average, and PE ratio, as we can see in the picture here. Each metric is normalized to a 0 to 1 scale, where higher values indicates better performance. The system also considers market sentiments from news articles. The final score is a weighted average of these metrics, with weights ultimately redistributed if any matrix is missing. Once of this is processed, the data is then sent it to the AI, where the users can ask some questions it may have. And here's the demo part. We can go ahead and see the demo. This is the introduce of our StockBot AI. And as you type in some company's name, for example, NVIDIA, and it waits some time to loading, then we can see the AI chat and the new sentiments right here. And the scoring systems is also shown above. And here we ask some questions to the AI. It might take some time to respond. Yeah, and now is the response we can see right here. And this is basically of all of our projects. Mm, okay. Uh, the the next one. Wait, did I miss some slides? Okay.
Dr. Ziyuan, we can't hear you.
Oh, can you hear me now? Hello?
Yeah, now we can hear you.
Oh, sorry. Oh, okay.
It's okay.
Let me introduce to this slides. And yeah, in this experiment, we test whether our PCA clustering method could accurately detect different market conditions by comparing our identified regimes with real historical events like the COVID-19 crash and recovery. And it seems like in this event, our PCA plus K-means method correctly identifies key market periods at the COVID crash and recovery and showing a strong alignment with real events. But there's some misclassification during the volatility. All regimes were labeled high-risk bulls even when conditions varied. This is due to a low volatility threshold that didn't capture difference between stable and volatile bull markets, and it needs fine-tuning for the transitions. The model struggles to detect subtle changes during market transitions, especially in extreme periods like the COVID-19 pandemic. And now is for the future development. We plan to add more diverse data sources with backup pipelines and data checks to reduce delays and ensure accurate, up-to-date information. And other is smart AI responses. We're aiming to improve large language model accuracy by using retrieval argument generations, which is RAG, and adversarial testing to reduce errors and make answers more grounded in real facts. And the last one is to make better scoring systems. We plan to enhance our stock scoring with advanced econometric models, regular back testing, and A/B testing to keep prediction reliable and adaptable to changing markets. And for the conclusion, the StockBot AI is a unique integration of real-time data and dynamic heuristic scoring systems, and it have conversational AI. But there do have some challenge for our projects, which is data latency and continuous model refinements exist. Our projects lay a strong foundation for empowering individuals to confidently navigate and participate responsibly in the evolving economic landscape. So in conclusion, StockBot AI represents a significant step towards democratizing financial insights through its unique integration of real-time data. And we hope like these projects can help the investors a lot. And thank you for listening.